Momcozy Kneading Lactation Massager. So this massager actually has heat as well as a 3-level option for massaging. So basically you can see the rotating knob at the kind of base of it up top there. You can select the speed and intensity, and then on the actual handle of it is where you're going to have the heat. So pretty basic for setting it up. The charger itself is magnetic. It's got its own kind of attachment, as you can see here. And using it on the heat end here, that is essentially you would apply it wherever you need, but really it helps improve milk flow or warming, or if you are feeling clogged or just needing a massage. Also, if you just have any overall kind of tenderness, could be great for breastfeeding, but also potentially if you're menstruating and having a sensitivity in your breasts as well. So lots of ways where this is great. Also helps with engorgement and speed up the letdown process. Check it out.